So what we're going to do now, we're going to do the press stretch technique, okay? We're going to press, stretch, press, stretch, press, and stretch, okay? Wherever you start, you want to go away from, whether it's down or up. Press and stretch. And one reason we incorporate stretch on this part, because, you know, we're trying to apply that tension, but, you know, this area compensates for the other, no matter what. Even though it's not as tight, it compensates. So we want to stretch it out. We kind of want to put pressure, but then we also want to, you know, relieve it at the same time of its compensating duties. So either way you go is fine. You can do it in little areas or increments, or you can do the whole back.